Make a great choice today with 2006 Ion. The Ion's designers accounted for almost everything but compromise. It's nimble yet strong, modern but inviting, sporty yet safe and sound, featuring the U.S. government's highest possible front crash test rating, 5 stars, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.